What's up, guys? We're at the Greenbelt Mall at night, and it's beautiful here. What's up, guys? So we're at the Wildflower restaurant. What's up, guys? We're at the Greenbelt Mall at night, and it's beautiful here. First time I've been here at night, but I love this part of Makati. Never gets old. I expect it to be nice, and it certainly is. It's a tempting offer to live in a place, in a region like this rather than BGC, but I still think BGC is gonna be my #1 spot, my #1 favorite place for sure, but really high class once again, and the vibes are strong in a good way. What's up, guys? So we're at the Wildflower restaurant at Greenbelt 3 in Makati. Very nice here. We're gonna try the mimosas. They do something a little different here. They add guava and actually wine to the mimosas here, along with orange juice and a couple other ingredients. So I'm looking forward to trying those and seeing what they are going to be like. So, yeah. Hey, there he is. Nice. Thank you. Cheers. Guess how much I just spent on 7 fluid ounces of orange juice and champagne. It's like 495 pesos, which is like $9 or $10 US. That's common for United States, but not for Philippines. However, we are in Greenbelt 3 in Wildflower Restaurant, which is a very upscale place, but it tastes great. Service is fairly good, and overall I'm happy. But if you're looking for a cheap date, don't come to the Wildflower Cafe and order mimosas. Again, I don't mind, but it tastes really good. The Philippines, it's not normal. Thank you. I'm Moscow. Okay, just concluded our night at the Wildflower restaurant, and I think that the staff that was working was probably overworked because there's a lot of customers and not that many people working, so service was a little bit slow and pretty delayed, but it's all good. You just got to kind of be proactive and get your check, get the check paid for, etc. And that's completely fine. I came here like an hour before they closed, and working in the restaurant industry, I'm not making excuses for them, but like, yeah, I know how exhausting it can be. So, well, overall it was good. Definitely would want to come on happy hour if I was going to drink beverages like that, because you're gonna 6 or 7 fluid ounces of a drink for like $10. It's a little wild, but I'd be willing to pay for 2 drinks at that price. So that's no problem. Give me 16 fluid ounces, I'll pay $10. No, but I'm just joking. I'm not a cheapskate. I don't really care about stuff like that, but I love eating out. And if you want the right environment, the right timing, the right ambiance, like at night with the right weather where it's not too hot, not too sticky, where you can really enjoy yourself like we did tonight for sure, like we always do, that's good. It's a good vibe. It's a good deal. I like it here a lot, and I'm gonna probably come back here more than once, so yeah.